channel. My name is Melody and this is my husband, Jordy, my langga. So today's video, me and Jordan, we will do the unboxing na galing sa ano bes? Sa tingalin? Sa Amazon, guys. So we will see kung okay ba yung tripod nila or hindi. So let's go, guys. Check it out. So ayan ang mga langga. Buksan natin.
Knife.
Oh, of course, knife. So galing po to sa Amazon. This is really cheap tripod, right?
It is an iPhone tripod.
iPhone tripod. How much is this again? Like
It was like $15
from Amazon. Wait, let's see, guys. Let's see this.
Whatever that means.
Tapos ano na? Kamusta na da?
Alright. Yeah. Made in China. It looks kind of like Ohio. Interesting. Alright. So that's nice.
Wow,
nice
they have like a
felt
little
case.
bit. Oh wow, that's look good.
Yeah, little felt case, kind of like a dice bag.
Oh wow. Oh.
Alright. So
Let's see this. Right now.
Okay, very good. Yeah.
So what they got,
Add
best?
up
Ooh.
so we can set it.
Ooh. That's a good. Like that's so good. Like how many millimeters is that? I think centimeter. I don't know.
Millimeters? I have no
I'm
idea how many
sorry.
millimeters it is. Like 2,000?
I don't know.
Alright, so according to this, 5 different heights depending on how many of these you click up.
Wow, that's look cool. So you can adjust that.
Yeah, it goes from 13 inches right here up to 4 feet. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so let's see all these little doodads that we got here. Alright, so
Ano na da?
this looks like, I'm not sure what this would be for. It looks like some kind of replacement. Maybe? I don't know. It's interesting.
Te.
Alright.
Pwede ka magilunggot kung gusto mo to Para mayob la. Ano na siya? Sagad ka magilonggo.
Hindi ko sagad sa ilanggo.
Ambot, simod, ambot.
Well, that's actually kind of a nice feature. So it has a standard tripod mount, and then there's just like a little additional mount
Oh, really?
for the phone.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. So you can adjust it like back. I mean like to slide left and right,
So
or?
it holds the phone.
Okay.
But the thing is, this little screw, it should fit just the regular camera out.
Be careful.
But yeah, this also has,
Can you look at it? Oh wow, that's fancy.
so you can take pictures with iOS or
iOS. Wow,
Android. So that's
that
pretty
looks cool.
I'm not sure what this little,
So do you want to get your phone and we can put the phone on it so that we can try on it?
yeah, we can try a phone first and then after
Can you
that.
give that to me? The plastic, the paper one. Palihog. Wow. So, okay.
That there. And we have
Ang phone.
this phone, just as an example.
Okay.
But, so it would go in like that.
Practice kap TV. Then, bali lang gabang.
But that should be good. I'm really unsure as to what this.
But I love the like a remote of that.
Let's see. Yeah.
So what is the small one that they have?
Huh?
What is that for that? The small.
This is an adapter for a GoPro.
Can you show it to us?
What, this?
Yeah.
I
Oh,
don't
okay.
have a GoPro, so how come
So I mean like that one.
this?
Yes.
It's an adapter for this, so instead of putting this on there, you can put a GoPro.
Wow,
instead of a phone.
awesome. So this is the instruction.
Yeah, there's that for you.
Okay, that's cool. I think it's so good, right?
Alright, so it does adjust all the way up.
Yeah. So you can adjust it
4
like.
feet.
Yeah. Wow. This is so cool, Jordan, huh? Oh my gosh, that's like my size. Oh, that's so cool. So adjustable. I think like it's a good price. It's super cheap, huh?
Honestly, it feels pretty sturdy for what it is. Like, I was expecting it to be kind of cheap, crappy metal, but this is actually plastic. This whole shaft here is plastic, and then only the legs here are metal, and they're actually they feel pretty strong. Nice little rubbery bits, so it's not gonna move on you.
So it's perfect.
It's pretty good.
I think one thing that I love that they have this one, and this is so cool. This is for Android and iOS. So guys, if you live here in United States, you can get it. Wow, that's awesome.
I told you, so it's standard.
So you can use this too. Awesome.
1/4 inch screw.
Sample, babe.
That's what a normal camera uses, is a 1/4 inch screw.
Guys,
So.
that looks so cool, and you can adjust it here too, isn't it?
Well, this one will adjust the side to side. So if you want, you can have it sideways or whatever.
That's cool. And you can. Ooh, this is really cool.
Yeah, up and down.
Wow.
I wish there was one more articulation, maybe,
But what do you think about this?
that's not too bad.
I think it's good. Like it's super cheap and like.
For the price, this is a lot better than I thought it was going to be.
So guys, like anyway, like thank you so much for getting me this, Jordan. Maraming salamat. So guys, like if you live here in United States, you can order. Oh wow, that look cool. So you can adjust it too. Oh, okay. So bongga. So you can go and do this. Pack. Wow. Looks so fancy, guys. So I hope that you can get this one too. It's only, once again, it's only 13, right?
I don't know what the
I forgot, but
was.
like in between 20. Like
it's pretty cheap.
It's very cheap. Like we get it from the Amazon. So yeah. So I hope guys you enjoy it. I know na wala naman kayo makukuha dito. We just like unboxing our tripod, but it's really cool. Like I think I recommend to get you one. Like order na kayo sa Amazon if you live here in the United States. Kasi it's really cool. Like, and you can adjust it too because they have a remote that they can use to Android and iOS to
basically Bluetooth it so you can take a picture or start the recording.
And also that you can get this too. That's really cool. So I hope guys you enjoy it, and maraming salamat kag ano mahambal mo, Jordan. Madamo gid ni sala ano man mo sa ila.
Damo gid na salamat sa inyong paglentaw sa amon ni na video.
Abaw! So don't forget to
like
and subscribe. So guys, anyway, like if you have anything question about YouTube, we're here to help you out. So anyway, Ate Langga is on the house and Kuya Langga is in the house. Kuya Langga. And once again, always remember to help each other first before yourself. Maraming salamat po. Adios, mga amiga Langga. Bye-bye. Bye, bes.
Bye-bye.